Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to recover iPhone password with Apple ID. So let's just get going. So for this one, what you need to do is simply head over to your settings, and there you will be able to see your account on top, and from here you can see we have our personal information and our Gmail, or basically iCloud ID mail, whatever you can say it. So if you see your personal information, you will have that written in here as well. So basically you simply need to reset it from this section. You need to head over to your you can head over to your sign in and security as well and send your backup key. So only then it will be allowing you to change it. So you can see if you head over to sign in and security, you just need to wait a couple of seconds until it opens, and you can see we have email, which we can simply change. We have a recovery and everything, so we can get a recovered iPhone password from this section as well. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.